Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Chili's app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Chili's app is a restaurant and food ordering platform designed to make dining at Chili's more convenient and rewarding. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the full menu, order food for pickup or delivery, and even pay directly from their phones while dining in. It's also integrated with the My Chili's Rewards program, where users earn points for every purchase, redeem them for free menu items, and access exclusive discounts and birthday treats. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its easy navigation, accurate order tracking, and fast access to rewards. The app simplifies reordering favorite meals, finding nearby locations, and managing digital receipts. It's especially praised for its dine-in payment feature, which lets customers skip waiting for the bill. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional bugs, login issues, or glitches when redeeming rewards. In addition, delivery options may not be available in certain areas, and the app's performance can vary depending on location and network connection. In summary, the Chili's app may be worth using if you frequently dine at Chili's and want a fast, convenient way to order food, pay your bill, and earn free rewards. However, if you prefer traditional dining without app-based ordering, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.